Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Using ozone for mold control has a dual-edged impact on the environment. Positively, it reduces the need for chemical disinfectants, lessening chemical runoff into the environment. However, negatively, ozone is a potent greenhouse gas with a high oxidative potential, which can contribute to air pollution if not contained or used properly. In indoor settings, inappropriate use can lead to ozone accumulation, posing health risks to inhabitants and pets, and potentially degrading materials like rubber and plastics, releasing more VOx into the air. Therefore, it's crucial to use it judiciously and in well-ventilated areas.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.